What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Wix website and start from fresh. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then type in Wix in the search bar. You will see the first official website of Wix. Just simply click on it. And remember guys, if you are new to Wix, just simply sign in with your email and password. But if you already have visited Wix, you can just simply log in and then you will be able to access the homepage of Wix or Wix Studio. So now just simply go to sites. Now, if you want to reset a particular site, select a particular site. For example, I am selecting this site, and remember guys, if you want to simply just delete a site, click on these three dots and then you will see the option of move to trash. By clicking it, you will just delete your site that you have created. But if you want to edit this site in a new manner, or you just want to refresh your site, just click on select site, and after selecting the site you will be redirected to your website's dashboard. After coming to the dashboard, click on settings, and after clicking on settings, search for website settings, or you can just simply see here website settings, click on it, and then as you can see my site is unpublished currently. But if you want to restore the version of this site, click on restore versions, and here you can see all the versions. I have this single version, that's why it's showing only one version. To restore it, so this is how you can restore your site on Wix. And if you want to just delete a site, as I showed you, click on the three dots and then just simply click on move to trash to delete your website. But now if you want to create a new fresh website, just click on this Wix or Wix Studio, whatever logo is appeared here, click on it. And then on the right side, click on create new site, and you can choose one of these. I'll just simply choose use your own template. After choosing it, you can create your template and then you can publish it. So this is how you can reset your Wix website and start over. That was all for this video guys. Thank you everyone for watching.